Hello YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to remove no bootable devices on your Dell Latitude laptop. You come here, you press on F2 to go to the BIOS system. Then after, you come here, you click on the boot sequence. After you come here on internal HHD, you click on it. Then after you come here to apply, to save changes. Then after you exit. Your laptop will reboot automatically after saving the changes. Then it will pass where it had been stopped. Now it's loading. After loading, you give it some time. It will bring Prisway. Then after, your laptop is ready to be used. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. And by names of Syra. Thank you.